Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to open the MyHealth application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. And it looks like this. The icon of the app looks like this. Tap on it to open the app. Actually, let me reopen it. Like this. And once you open the application, you should see the health page, usually. It's like a home page for this app. Now tap on devices to open the devices page. And here you should see your INFINIX Watch 3 GT. Now, scroll down, tap on delete device, tap on delete. And as you can see, we need to go to the Bluetooth settings. So close the app, go to the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find Bluetooth and tap on it. And here you need to find the Xwatch 3 GT on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And once you forget it, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.